Welcome to the TopPick lab. The best washcloths is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items in any kitchen, playing a crucial role in everything from wiping up spills and drying dishes to cleaning countertops and even handling hot pans. A good washcloth can make kitchen chores significantly easier and more hygienic, transforming mundane tasks into a breeze with its absorbency, durability, and gentle touch, ensuring your kitchen remains spotless and functional with minimal effort. Number 5. Swedish Wholesale Reusable Dishcloths, 10-pack. Discover the ultimate cleaning companion. These reusable cloths transform from stiff to soft when wet, ready to tackle any mess in your kitchen or bathroom. Tired of smelly kitchen rags? Ours are made from a quick-drying blend that stays fresh and odor-free, unlike traditional cloths. Make a difference for the planet and your wallet. Each one replaces over 15 rolls of paper towels and lasts for months, significantly reducing waste. Experience incredible absorbency. These cloths soak up 15 times their weight in liquid, making quick work of even the largest spills. Cleaning up is simple. They are dishwasher and washing machine safe, designed for over 50 uses with proper care. Designed to dry completely stiff, they ensure hygienic performance. Use them confidently on countertops, glass, wood, and even delicate dishware without scratches. What we like? These cloths absorb 15x their weight in liquid, making large spills easy to clean. They are also odor-resistant and machine washable, lasting for months. If you're looking to reduce paper towel waste and prefer a hygienic cleaning solution, these are a great choice. What people say? They pick up everything. And that's nice and all. It's more than nice, they do a remarkable job. But more magic comes in when you rinse them. Nothing gums up. They rinse right off very quickly so you can keep going. No fibers for things to embed in. They hold the perfect amount of moisture. They can be as wet or dry as the job you're doing requires. Swedish dishcloths are far superior to sponges or brushes for dish cleaning. More cleaning surface area than a brush. You can use one a day and wash it in the washing machine so they're not accumulating bacteria. You can get them into all the little crevices of different dishes. They dry quickly and are very absorbent even when wet. Squeeze it out and it'll suck up a lot of water, making them great for cleaning counters and tables too. Number 4. AMOUR INFINI Cotton Kitchen Dishcloth Set of 8. Introducing the AMOUR INFINI Cotton Kitchen Dishcloth Set. This package includes 8 high-quality dishcloths, featuring a mix of solid colors and checkered patterns, each measuring 12 by 12 inches. Crafted from 100% terry cotton, these cloths offer a super soft and gentle touch for your dishes, hands, and kitchen surfaces. They are designed for maximum absorbency, making them perfect for drying and wiping. With an enhanced terry structure, these cloths are lightweight and remarkably absorbent. They effortlessly soak up spills and dry quickly, ensuring flawless cleaning results every time. Enjoy the perfect combination of softness and durability. Made from 100% terry cotton, they provide a gentle touch for delicate items while remaining strong for everyday use. These dishcloths are an ideal addition to any kitchen. They make a thoughtful housewarming gift or a simple upgrade to your home essentials, offering the perfect balance of absorbency, softness, and durability. What we like? Made from 100% terry cotton, these cloths are incredibly soft and gentle on surfaces. Their high absorbency makes them perfect for drying dishes and wiping up spills. If you prioritize a soft touch and excellent absorbency for everyday kitchen tasks, this set is ideal. What people say? They're thick, wash beautifully, and absorb and wring out fantastically. These are well made, nice texture and weave, absorbent. Soft. Properly thick but dry great on a rack. They are just the right thickness, soft, durable, perfect size, just great overall. Top quality. Number 3. Infinitee Xclusives Premium Cotton Dishcloths. Experience the luxury of 100% pure cotton. These dishcloths are crafted from BCI certified cotton, ensuring a premium and natural feel for your home. Discover incredible softness and superior absorbency. Each cloth is designed to dry effectively, making kitchen tasks a breeze. Enjoy long-lasting quality that reduces waste. These cloths maintain their softness wash after wash, offering a sustainable alternative to paper towels. Get a pack of 4 high-quality dishcloths. They provide excellent value for all your kitchen and household cleaning needs without compromising on durability. Keeping them fresh is easy. These cloths are machine washable and can be tumble dried on low heat. We recommend washing them before the first use. What we like. Crafted from 100% pure natural ring-spun cotton, these cloths offer an ultra-soft feel and superior absorbency. They are designed to maintain their premium feel even after hundreds of washes. If you value eco-friendly materials and long-lasting quality in your cleaning tools, this pack is a smart investment. What people say. They absorb water and dry hands well. The size is perfect for a kitchen towel. The thickness is good and they are very well made. 100% cotton. There's 6 in the pack. Soft and durable at the same time. Very nice. These tea towels are absolutely gorgeous. They are really thick and absorbable. They came out of a short tumble dry feeling even more luxurious. They are vibrant red, varies Macy 100%. Number 2. FEBU Swedish Dishcloths 5-pack. Tackle your toughest messes with ease. These cloths absorb up to 20 times their weight, handling large spills without dripping like ordinary paper towels. Make a sustainable choice. One of these durable cloths can replace over 17 rolls of paper towels, saving you money and reducing waste. Achieve a spotless finish every time. The unique texture scrubs away grime without scratching, leaving surfaces like glass and stainless steel polished and lint-free. Clean your home responsibly. Made from natural, plant-based materials, these cloths are fully compostable and break down naturally, supporting a zero-waste lifestyle. Use them anywhere with confidence. Designed to be gentle, they are safe for all your surfaces, from delicate marble to everyday kitchen counters. Get long-lasting performance. These cloths are machine washable up to 50 times, offering a reliable and reusable cleaning solution for your home. What we like. These cloths absorb up to 20 times their weight and feature a unique diamond weave for streak-free cleaning. They are also 100% biodegradable, making them an eco-conscious choice. If you need a powerful cleaning tool that's kind to the planet and leaves surfaces sparkling, consider these. What people say. Really good quality and durability. I am constantly impressed by how versatile they are and how many uses I find for them. I use them for cleaning, wiping up spills, and general mess control. They are much more absorbable than I expected. These reusable dishcloths are awesome. They are so absorbent and dry fast. So easy to clean by just popping them in the dishwasher. Can use them over and over again. They are thick and do not rip. The size is great. Dries quick, rinses clean easily, and has no lingering smell. The textured underside gets dirt and grime off of surfaces easily, and the printed side is bright and colorful. They are thick and sturdy and feel like they will last for a long time. Number 1. JOYMOOP 18-pack Microfiber Cleaning Cloths. Experience amazing absorbency that cleans any surface in just a few wipes. Achieve a streak-free shine on glass, mirrors, dishes, and more without any scratches. Crafted from a soft microfiber blend, these cloths are gentle on your hands. They are safe for use as dish cloths when washing your dishes. These kitchen towels offer superior absorbency, soaking up liquids and stains with ease. The lint-free design ensures a durable and clean finish every time. Wash and reuse these dish towels hundreds of times, saving money and reducing waste. They are a sustainable alternative to disposable paper towels. This set includes 18 cloths in 3 assorted colors, perfect for tackling various household chores. Each cloth measures 10 by 10 inches. What we like. Designed for a streak-free and lint-free finish, these microfiber cloths are highly absorbent and versatile. They can tackle various surfaces, from glass to countertops, with ease. If you're looking for an all-around cleaning cloth that delivers a polished look without scratching, this family-size pack is a practical solution. What people say. Highly absorbing and easy to wash. Soft, thick, and gentle on surfaces. I can use it to clean food messes, tips of food containers, counters, cooking utensils and equipment, and even glass tabletops. They are so soft and absorbent. They also come out of the laundry fresh and lovely. The JOYMOOP microfiber cleaning cloths are soft, super absorbent, and perfect for cleaning any surface. They pick up dust, dirt, and spills easily without leaving lint or streaks. Durable even after multiple washes, these cloths are great for kitchens, bathrooms, and cars. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.